It's going over working with ratio when you're given just one part and using bar modeling to do this. So I'm going to go over an example straight away, jump into it and explain how it works using the bar modeling method. So you've got apples and bananas are in the ratio 2:5. What you need to remember in the question, the 2 goes with the apples and the 5 goes with the bananas. So the way the items are written goes with the ratio. There are 6 apples, and then now you have to find out 2 things for this question. How many bananas are there? How many pieces of fruit in total? Okay, and we've got 6 apples here. Now there are steps to solve this that you can use. So first thing is you want to draw out the bars for the ratio. So that's in the question there, you've got the 2:5. So I'm going to draw out some bars here. So draw these out for you. So that's 2 bars to represent my apples. Okay, and then 5 bars to represent my bananas. Keep it nice and neat using a ruler. Okay, so we've got that. That's our ratio represented with the bars. Now, bananas as well. Now, that's what you've got to start with. Now, we're going to share the known values in their bars. So our known value here are the 6 apples. So we know that is 6 in total for this here. So we're going to share this known information amongst them. So we've got 2 bars for the apples. There's 6 in total. So that means each one has to equal 3. So what we've really done there, as a side note, 6 divided by 2 is 3. All right. Then once you've done that, share it into the known ratios. Place value in each bar. So that value now we're going to place into every single bar. We've got every block. So we've got 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now, each row that you have is the total for that item. So that's what we've got. So bananas, that row there is the total for bananas that we've got. So we've got 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and that makes 15. So what we've really done there is put it in brackets, 3 times 5 is 15. All right. Now we actually got to solve the question. So we've done that part. First question was, how many bananas are there? Well, that's there. So bananas, we say bananas equal 15. Okay, and the second part, how many pieces of fruit in total? Now for that, you're going to be adding up these 2 values together. So you say 6 add 15, 21 in total. All right, so that's first example. I'll go through second one using 3 parts this time. Okay, and we've got Kath, Dennis and Edna. They're sharing some money in the ratio of 3, 1, 5. So same as the question above, the Kath goes with the 3, Dennis goes with the 1, Edna goes with the 5. Information we've got here, Kath gets £15. So that's Kath's. And then we want to find out how much does Edna get, how much money is there in total. So going back to those steps, draw out the bars for the ratio. So we're going to draw it out. We're going to need a 3, a 1 and a 5. So do that. So we've got Kath. She gets 3 bars. Okay. Okay, we've got Dennis who gets 1 bar. And then we've got Edna who gets 5 bars. draw these for you quickly, nice and neatly. Okay, so now you've got that, and we're going to put our known values in their bars. So we know Kath has 15. So 15 then, said above, we've got 3 bars, 15 amongst the 3 bars gives us 5 in each bar. Now once we've done that, we now have to place that value in every bar that we have. So we've got 5 there, and then all the 5s here. So everyone is 5. Okay, now each row is a total for that item. So Dennis has 5 in total, and Edna has 25 in total. So now we can answer the questions properly. So how much does Edna get? We have a look. Edna, well, we've done it there. She has 25. So Edna is £25. All right, and how much is there in total? So for the total, we could look, we got 15, add 5, add 25. And that gives us a total of £45. All right, so I've got 2 questions now below. Do pause it and give it a go, and then I will go over those answers for you. Okay, let's have a look at this one with Rachel. She has some apples and bananas in the ratio 2:3. She has 14 apples. Work out how many bananas Rachel has, and then work out how many pieces of fruit in total. So start off, we're going to draw our bars again. So start off with apples. Okay, we've got 2 bars there. So each one is of equal value. That's important. Bananas. We've got 3 bars. Draw those out. Okay, now we're going to put our known values in. So we know it's 14 apples, so that's 14. And then that makes each of these now, because place each value, because it's 14 amongst 2, makes it 7. And then we know all these are 7. And then the total for each row is what they have. So we've got 3 7s, that makes it 21. So we can answer the question we have, which is how many bananas does Rachel have? So bananas equals 14. And then how many pieces of fruit in total? So the total is that 14 plus the 21, which is 35. Okay, and then final one here, we've got Tim has some tins of apricots, carrots and peas in the ratio 2, 3, 4. He has 8 tins of apricots. How many tins of carrots does he have, and how many tins does Tim have? So once again, we got to draw out our ratio to start with. So we got apricot, okay, which is 2 bars. Then we've got carrots, which is 3 bars. And then finally, we've got peas, which is 4 bars. Oh, messed up on my ruler a little bit on that one. Okay, now I've got that, I'm going to place or share the known values in their bars. So what you know is 8 tins of apricot. So that's 8, which makes each one of these 4, and then all the other single bars or blocks is 4. So from there, we now can tell what each row is. So that is 12. This row is 16. Okay, so 12. And then we can now answer the question. So how many tins of carrots does he have? So carrots is 12. So 12 tins of carrots. And then how many tins does Tim have in total? It's going to be this 8, add that 12, add that 16, which gives us a total of 36 tins.